Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here. Good morning. It's Monday, April 16th, 2018. So welcome guys, welcome to my daily health tip for today. It's the beginning of a new week. Beautiful day out here in sunny Southern California. Woo woo. Okay, so today's health tip, I'm sharing an article from Authority Nutrition. I'm part of the newsletter. So, and this article that they're discussing here is they talk about the difference between heavy cream, half and half, and coffee creamer. So we're gonna get into the bottom of this, see which is the healthiest option to select, and that's gonna be today's topic. So I know a lot of people are coffee drinkers. I drink coffee every morning, so it's good to be aware of what's the best option. If you love coffee, and if you need a creamer to help give it a better taste like I do. Let's dive into let's look at closely heavy cream, half and half, and coffee creamer. Okay, so heavy cream, also called heavy whipping cream. Heavy cream is the thick, high-fat cream that rises to the top of fresh milk. It's skimmed off during the manufacturing process. So it's the top. So the heavy cream is the high-fat cream that rises at the top of a fresh milk. So many food manufacturers help speed up this process by using tools called separators, which accelerate the separation of milk and cream. Cream is graded according to its fat content, and most countries have specific standards for what defines heavy cream. Although cream is typically the only ingredient found in heavy cream, it's also sometimes combined with thickness like gellan gum to improve its consistency. Okay, so that's heavy cream. Let's look at half and half. Much like heavy cream, half and half is a dairy product. It's made by combining equal parts part cream and whole milk, resulting in a product that is thinner and lower in fat than heavy cream. It also has much lighter taste and mouthfeel, which can be useful in many types of recipes. In addition to milk and cream, half and half sometimes contain additives such as carrageenan, which can help enhance the texture of the final product. So that's an additive, so be careful of that. Make sure you look at the ingredients. Fat-free varieties of half and half are also widely available and typically made by combining skim milk with corn syrup instead of cream, resulting in a fat-free product that is higher in added sugar. So you got to be careful of that too. So make sure you're watching the ingredients and the ones that says fat-free. Okay, coffee creamer. Unlike heavy cream and half, coffee cream is dairy-free. Although the ingredients can vary by brand, most coffee creamers are made from a combination of water, sugar, and vegetable oil. Coffee creamer is usually heavily processed and loaded with added sugar. This is why coffee creamer is not good for us. Okay, guys. Okay. So some popular types of coffee creamer can contain up to 5 grams of added sugar in a single serving. That's more than 1 teaspoon of sugar. For reference, the American Heart Association recommends limiting your daily intake of added sugar to no more than 6 teaspoons, 24 grams for women, and 9 teaspoons, 36 grams for men a day. So that's how many that's how many sugars we should be intaking daily. Recommended by American Heart Association. Here in the U.S., we are far exceeding it. In the U.S., we're doing 22 teaspoons a day. We're far over 6 teaspoons for women, 9 teaspoons for men, okay? Other common additives are used to boost the taste and texture of coffee creamers include carrageenan, cellulose gum, and artificial flavorings. However, there are many varieties of coffee creamer that may contain different ingredients. They may be sugar-free, fat-free, powdered, or flavored, okay? So there we go, guys. In the how they're made, we need to know that. So what's the calories? So heavy cream is the highest in fat and calories, half and half, and coffee creamer contains similar amounts of fat, but coffee creamer often contains more calories. The types of fat they contain also have different health effects, okay? So they taste different, absolutely. Heavy cream is a very thick and rich flavor. Half and half is similar to milk, but more creamy. Meanwhile, coffee creamer is much more sweeter than either dairy option and comes in many different flavors. Okay. Okay, so at the end of the day, what we want to know here is which one is best. Which is the best? So, which one should you stock up on during your next trip to the grocery store? That's what we need to know here. Okay, if you're looking for a product that can be used in cooking, heavy cream is the most versatile. It can be used to make many different dishes, including soups, sauces, and desserts. However, for an ingredient that can sweeten your favorite drinks, half and half may be the healthier option. So for your coffees, half and half. Not only is it lower in calories than coffee creamer, but it's also less processed, contains healthier fats, and is less likely to contain additives and extra sugars like the coffee creamers does, guys. The coffee creamers are really dangerous. You got to stay away from coffee creamers. Be sure to opt for regular half and half rather than fat-free or flavored varieties, and check the ingredients label carefully to minimize your intake of added ingredients. So what I recommend? Half and half is what's recommended for your coffee, for your drinks, and coffee creamer. Scratch that. No. So half and half is the best option. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys. Let's look at some look at what's out there in the grocery store. I don't have any heavy cream because I never use heavy cream, so I don't have heavy cream to really show you guys. But I have a French vanilla coffee mate creamer here, and I have a half and half. So I'm gonna look at the ingredients right now. Look at and see what's going on with these products. So this is a French vanilla coffee mate, and I have this at home because my stepson, he's 24, he loves coffee, and this is his absolute favorite. So this is this is what he prefers to drink. I don't use this in my coffee. But anyway, so let's look at what's going on. I'm checking out the ingredients here. Let's see. So okay, it has 35 calories, right? Okay, so there's 35 calories. Then it goes in the fat, cholesterol, sodium, blah blah blah. Okay, now what I'm trying to find here. Okay, so ingredients. Oh, good lord. Okay, so in ingredients of this thing here, there's two. It's got actually two sections of ingredients, guys, and I'm not gonna go through all these ingredients. But like I said, when you're looking at a product and you have all these ingredients that you cannot pronounce, that's an issue. A lot of, remember, as the article says, there's a lot of additives, a lot of preservatives, artificial flavorings in this coffee creamer. This is why it's so dangerous for us. Because why you're putting chemicals in our bodies. Our bodies there's foreign to our bodies. Our bodies are not made to process chemicals. So when you digest, when you drink, something, you ingest something in your system, you eat it, whatever, and your body doesn't recognize it. This is why we have obesity, all these diseases is occurring, because when the body doesn't recognize it, it stores it as fat in our belly. Okay, so that's an issue. Now let me look at half and half. This is the Stater Brothers half and half this is one that I use. So let me go back. So let's go to the here in the nutritional side here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's 40 calories. Okay, all right. So okay, so the coffee creamer was 30 calories, and the half and half was 40 calories. So now for those of you that's just looking at numbers, this is why it's a problem. You can't just pay attention to numbers. You have to look at the ingredients. What is in the ingredients of the product? Okay. So when I go down here, so here's a nutritional thing for half and half. And when I go down here to ingredients, guys, ingredients, there's only one line here. There's only one line for ingredients in half and half. You know what it says? Ingredients: milk and cream. That is all that's in here. It doesn't say any other ingredients that I cannot pronounce. Any additives. There's nothing in this but milk and cream. I've never seen a product where in the ingredients is only one little line. All it says is milk and cream. That's all it says here in this ingredients. That is the most important thing in your product, is the ingredients. If you're just looking at, oh, well, how many calories does it have? Well, how many fat does it have? You need to look at the ingredients. That's because it's the additives, the preservatives. Those are the things that affects our health. Those are the things that we're not paying attention to. That's what's causing all these issues in our society. We have type 2 diabetes is an epidemic. So because we're eating foods with all these chemicals and additives and preservatives that our bodies are not designed to process. So anyway, so just to look, so again, although if you're looking at numbers, yeah, the coffee creamer has less calories, but look at the ingredients. There's like 2 different columns of ingredients, and I cannot pronounce any of those ingredients. That's an issue. When I look at the half and half, all it says is milk and cream. That's it. You know what? I know what milk and cream. I know what that means. I understand what that means. When I look at the coffee creamer, I don't understand. I can't even pronounce those ingredients up there. So when you look at your products and you cannot pronounce the ingredients, that's a problem. You need to not put it in your body. So anyway, so I want to talk about that today. Educate you guys on this matter here. So half and half, definitely the best option. If you need coffee creamer, you need to put some creamer in your coffee. Half and half is definitely the best option versus coffee creamer. And for heavy cream, you're not really using heavy cream in your coffee anyways. Like they say, they use heavy creamer for in cooking, for recipes and soups, etc. So, but again, so half and half is the best option for your coffee. That's what I use. Another healthier option is just use coconut cream. That's it. Coconut milk or coconut cream, another healthier version to give your coffee some taste. Okay. Anyway, so a very quick discussion here. I hope this helps, guys. Share with your family and friends. Educate each other on what's going on. Pay attention to the ingredients. The takeaway is look at the ingredients. And if you cannot pronounce them, you should not be putting it in your body. Bottom line. Okay, so pay attention to ingredients. Not, well, how many calories does it have? It doesn't matter how many calories they have. What matters is the ingredients that are in there. Because when you eat it, you digest it. How is our body? How does the gut process it? Can the gut process it? So not the foreign things, additives, preservatives, guys. Our bodies are not made to process them. This is why we're having a lot of these health problems that we're having today. So pay attention. The takeaway is, if you can't pronounce the ingredients, don't put it in your body. Your ingredients should be like it should be like what this half and half says. Milk and cream. Very straightforward. Only 2 ingredients. I understand what a milk and cream means. That's how our ingredients should. That's the best option right there. Anyway, so I hope this helps. Share the video. Help educate your family and friends out there, guys. And that's my health tip for today. Have a wonderful day. This is Gayon here signing off, guys. Oh, and just as a quick reminder, if you haven't joined the group yet, so join my movement. # Eat better to feel better. Join my. I'm starting this movement. # Eat better to the number 2 feel better. I've created a group where we're just doing healthy eating. We're changing our lifestyle. We're eating healthy only. I'm showing you guys how eating healthier is not as difficult as you may think, making it easy. So we started our challenge today on eating a healthy breakfast for 5 days. So I'm giving them recipes, breakfast ideas to start your day in the right path. Because changing your eating habits, you have to do it baby steps. You can't just get up tomorrow and change get rid of all your bad habits. It doesn't work that way. So baby steps. This is about lifestyle permanent change. So now we're looking at we're focusing this week on breakfast. I'm challenging everyone in the group to eat a healthy breakfast. I'm giving them recipes. I'm giving them healthy breakfast ideas to get their day started. So if you want to join the movement with me, guys, just click on the link right below the description of the video. It says join group here. Click the link there. Join the group. If you want to start to eat better and healthier, that's something that you would like to do, then join that movement. Okay, join the group. And eating healthier and starting to eat better, making your own foods, is going to help you lose weight. It's going to help you fight diseases. So if you want to be a part of that, join the group. And also, get your family and friends involved as well. So let's get on this journey with me and in living healthier by, number 1, starting to eat healthier. So join the group, and I hope to see you guys over there. Guys, have a wonderful day. This is Gayon signing off. See you in my next health tip.